So hi guys, this is Mix here from Mix Tarot, and tonight we are going to talk about a very special sign, that is Aquarius. So this is for people born from mid-Jan to mid-Feb, and we are going to talk about them. We are going to look at their March 2021 reading. So without any further delay, let's start. Just to start with, I don't read cards in reverse, so I'm going to take them as it is. So, well, the way the card looks, it's a damn good card to come out. The World card in the center, the Ace of Wands on the bottom, and Seven of Wands on top. So I wouldn't jump into the reading straight away. Let me take out a few more cards and the story would be quite more clear to me. Alright, now Aquarius, I don't know what to say, so I'll try and explain it in the best possible way. First of all, the cards, the way they have come out, it is awesome. So I don't know for how long you Aquarius guys are waiting for this, but what you have been waiting for is finally coming to life. That's what I'll say. As we start, I think you guys are going through a transition phase. So you are in that, silence before the storm, but the storm is actually a good one. So you should probably enjoy that storm. So it's you are in that kind of a state. So a new chapter in your life is about to start. Lucky for you, this new chapter comes with a lot of communication, and I think you are going to get very close to your loved one, whosoever that is. So I think a lot of people are going to see a new relationship grow or a past relationship coming to life, and with it a lot of party, naughtiness, that sort of a situation will come to life, which is a good thing. So let me pull out two more cards. So I'm just looking for certain clarity. So I'll be honest with you guys, this is a damn good layout. I cannot make a complaint on what this is happening. So Aquarius, I've got to say certain things, and let me be honest about it. So I've been doing Aquarius readings for some time now, and the fact is that you have been waiting for something great to happen for a long time. Many of you Aquariuses have been waiting for that good thing to happen for good about 3, 4, 5 years now, and I see that actually happening now. So we have got the Wheel of Fortune here and King of Pentacles here. I see a great future. I really, let me be honest here. I don't want to say something that the card doesn't say, and honestly speaking, you're heading for a great time. Honestly speaking, the only thing you cannot do is about this card here, which is Nine of Swords. So I'll explain it to you. This falling in this position and in a particular, with these combination of cards would explain that Aquarius, first of all, you need to accept one thing in life, that you're not at all good in politics. You're not good. So I don't know how else to say it. You cannot play politics, so it's better for you to stay out of it. Just be who you are, however you are, and whatever you want to be. That's the way you have to be. So that's what seems here. You're coming from a period of hardship and you're going to a period of, well, how about the word awesomeness? Yeah. Okay, awesomeness. It is. Let me clarify this card because I'm sort of getting confused with the Two of Cups. I don't know why. It is a very plain and simple card, but I think somebody needs to know a little bit more detail about this Two of Cups. Okay, I'm going to say the first thing that comes into my mind. So I'm just being honest, just bear with me. It might suit you, it might not suit you, it's up to you. You were with somebody in a one-sided affair kind of a thing. That person actually left you because he or she was in a search of money, career, stability in their life. I think that person is coming back into your life. I actually think this Four of Pentacles is that another person and you are the Queen of Pentacles. So over the time you have grown, you have nurtured yourself, you have made something out of yourself, and you're happy where you are. So you, both of you, left each other on a fight, and it looks like you're coming back together. I don't know, you be the better judge. Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so this is a good reading. You are heading for a stable time now. So a lot of stability is going to kick in pretty soon, and I think this new stability is going to last for another 9-10 years, and this is a period that you should enjoy the most. So in a way, you are heading for a stable, progressive era in your life, and the instability of last 4, 5, 6 years is now coming to an end. So I am very clear with you guys, because I have been reading, there's some of the people are there who are actually Aquarius, and they often come to me for reading, and something very similar and common I see in their readings, and that is they were all going through a tough time. I think with this new year 2021, that era is coming to an end. You might feel a little bit frustrated here and there on small issues, but the overall energy remains good. You are feeling something which you have not felt for a long time, and you missed that feeling, and that feeling is coming back, which is a good thing. So I have nothing in this layout that I can actually complain about. It's all good, it's all cool. So one word of advice: enjoy yourself and have a blast. Don't think too much. This is a good time to be in. Just enjoy yourself, because I know you guys have a tendency to overanalyze everything. So this is not that time. The time which is coming towards you, it does not require analysis. It is what it is, and you are supposed to just sit back and enjoy that ride. Let me be very honest with you. So you're heading for a good time. Just give away all your tensions, because you see, there's one thing: you can't change your destiny, but you can certainly change the way you think. So just change the way you think about everybody, and I think that change is in the air now. I don't know, those of you Aquarius who are very sensitive to all these things must have started feeling some difference in the air. You're going to probably do stuff you have never done before. That might be in terms of your work or your personal life. You're going to try out new things. There are actually two doves here, just on the bottom of the card. I think there is a partnership coming up, whether it's in your personal life or in your business life. There is a partnership coming up. So if you guys are planning to start your own business, I think this is the right time. Start it with a partner, and you guys will be successful. Of course, you need to work hard, but yeah, I don't know. I'm getting this feeling that somebody is returning in your life. I don't know why. Somebody returning or some new partner coming in. You see all these clouds, right? That is interesting. I mean, I genuinely feel that I don't need to pull out any more cards. Just from the start till the, I would hate to call it an end, but since I don't feel like pulling out any more cards, it looks like a big bang. It's there. And this devil energy that you see here, I see it kind of a cute energy. I don't see it as a bad energy. I see it as something, you'll be laughing and enjoying like a devil. I hope you get the meaning I'm trying to say here. But this looks great. So just sit back and enjoy yourself. Don't take any more pressures in life. Life is what it is, and you have learned a lot in your life, right? So now is the time to sit back and enjoy, and let happen whatever is supposed to happen. I'll put it to you this way. So spread your wings. Do not hold back right now. The timing is perfect, and you are ready to soar. You see, I don't know, this card sums it up entirely. I thought I would make a big video out of this, but to be honest with you guys, this has sort of put me off my tracks or my plan. And this is just outright clear, simple, nice, sexy and awesome cards. So I can't even add or subtract anything on this one. So my dear Aquarius, it is time for you to enjoy yourself. So just chill out, do whatever you want to do. You're planning to start a new business, please go ahead. This is right time to do so. Just be honest, just be nice the way you are. I, as a tarot reader, have nothing more to add to these awesome cards, and it just sums it up. So I'll be honest with you guys, before I close this video, I actually came today to make this video a little bit longer because I wanted to talk a lot, but the way it came out, I have nothing else to say. I have this feeling that you guys already know about this stuff deep down inside your heart. You're headed for a great time, and many of you are here just to confirm that. Maybe I'm just being honest. So guys, if I'm wrong, just let me know. Your feedbacks are more than welcome. But this is just a confirmation of the feeling that's inside your heart. So you're headed for a great time. All the best. I'll meet you next time. Thanks a lot, guys. Enjoy yourself.